Hello students, welcome to BTech 360 and Career 360. The JOSA counseling is almost over and many of these seats will move to CSAB, which is the Central Seat Allocation Board. So if you've not got a seat or an allocation through the JOSA counseling, this would be the most important video that you'll actually have to see, because you're likely to get through the CSAB counseling in the same institution that you were rejected earlier, because there is a lot of seats which have not been taken up by the students move to the CSAB counseling. I'll tell you how the process works, and we're talking of, by the way, a rank range of about 90,000 to 1,50,000. If you got a rank range of that, this would be an important video for you. And we'll talk of all those colleges, which is NITs, IIITs and GFTS, where if your rank range is about below 1,50,000 in JEE Main, you're likely to get into that through this particular thing. So remember, I'm talking of rank range of 90,000 to 1,50,000. A lot of students also reach out to us saying they want to talk to a counselor. So if you need any help, send us a message on this number 8130-3763334. Send us a message BTech and one of our counselors will call you up. And do subscribe to BTech 360, because we're creating a lot of content to help students get into the best college. And this information and guidance series is presented by Amity University, one of India's leading universities, and also ranked among the top 3% globally. Now let me take you through this particular thing. In CSAB counseling, what happens is you're always dealing with those seats that have not been filled in through the JOSA counseling for NITs, IIITs and GFTIs. For the IITs, the JOSA counseling continues if you want to get into an IIT, if you have a JEE advanced rank and all. But the CSAB counseling takes over for all the seats that are there for NITs, IIITs and GFTIs. The rank that we're going to talk here is only the All India Common Rank List. The category ranks get dissolved. Once you move to CSAB, it's only the All India Common Rank List that will be in vogue. Now last year when we looked at it, about 13,727 seats across NITs, IIITs and GFTS moved to the CSAB counseling, of which about 4,427 seats were in NITs. Last year we're talking about 153 seats in IST Shibpur. IIITs had 2,975 and GFTS had 6,060 seats. So in all, we actually had 13,727. This year I do expect this to be much larger at 15,000 plus, because the number of seats also expanded across these institutions. Now let's talk of the CSAB counseling less than 150,000. So 90,000 to 1,50,000 is the range that we're talking about here, right? We have already created a video for up to 10,000, up to 25,000, up to 90,000. You can watch that if you want to, but we're talking of another range here. The first one is Assam University, BTech CSE. So whenever we talk of IIIT or GFTI, it is the All India rank. If it's NIT, it is the outside the home state rank is what we're talking about. And remember, we only talk of the All India Common Rank List. There is no category rank here. So the first one is Assam University, BTech CSE, 1,23,330 is what an open category student got into it, 143,555 for EWS and 153,932 for OBC NCL. When I say 1,50,000, I'm only talking the open category. The other category ranks would be higher also, just remember that. Then Birla Institute of Technology, Extension Center, Devgarh, BTech CSE you can get. Last year at 1,46,515 also, it went up to it, where students got into it. 2,07,138 for EWS. OBC NCL was 2,26,948. BTech Production Engineering in the same institution, 1,07,711 in open category, 176,687 for EWS, OBC NCL was 164,669. By the way, this is now Birla Institute of Technology, Mesra we're talking about. 1,17,814 for BTech Biotechnology Engineering, 148,385 for EWS, 157,573 for OBC NCL. In the same institute, BIT Mesra, BE Chemical Engineering, 97,172 also a student got into it, 124,246 for EWS and 132,944 for OBC NCL. BTech Civil, 99,499 for open category, 122,996 for EWS. OBC NCL is 1,18,921. Birla Institute of Technology Patna, BTech AI and Machine Learning, 1,18,778 for open category. EWS is 154,590. OBC NCL is 169,215. BCSC, 98,719 for open category, 148,969 for EWS. OBC NCL is 128,571. Central Institute of Technology Kokrajhar, 135,297 for open category, EWS 217,194 and OBC NCL is 152,751. Central University of Haryana, Mahendragarh, BTech CSE 138,590 for open category, EWS is 185,866 and 2,07,178 for OBC NCL. Central University of Rajasthan, BTech CSE 96,498, 119,488 for EWS, OBC NCL is 127,115. Gati Shakti Vishwavidyalaya, Vadodara, 1,05,239 for open category. For BTech Aviation Engineering, BTech EC Rail Engineering is 1,08,136, BTech Electrical Engineering Rail Engineering is 135,156. IIIT Bhagalpur, BTech Mechatronics and Automation Engineering 98,141. JK Institute of Applied Physics and Technology, Allahabad, BTech CSE with AI is 93,596, BTech AC is 134,774. You also have the category ranks, you can take that out, take a screenshot of this and then you can use it for yourself. Moving further, and National Institute of Advanced Manufacturing Technology in Ranchi, BTech Mechanical is 1,04,085, 127,316 for EWS, OBC NCL is 116,803. BTech Metallurgical and Materials Engineering 1,14,520, EWS is 137,338, OBC NCL is 139,664. National Institute of Electronics and Information Technology Aurangabad, BTech CSE is 1,10,494, 1,44,160 for EWS, OBC NCL is 134,015. National Institute of Electronics and Information Technology Patna, 139,158 for open category. EWS is 2,05,537, 1,85,129 for OBC NCL. National Institute of Electronics and Information Technology Ropar, BTech CSE AI and Machine Learning is 1,02,823, 130,362 for EWS, OBC NCL is 162,143. NIT Agartala, BS MS Chemistry Dual Degree, 127,501 for open category. EWS is 1,90,166, OBC NCL is 149,076. NIT Agartala BSMS Physics Dual Degree, 1,09,216 for open category. EWS is 1,49,467, 125,442 for OBC NCL. NIT Andhra Pradesh, BTech Biotechnology 91,366, 92,383 for EWS, and OBC NCL is 1,06,661. NIT Arunachal Pradesh, BTech Biosciences and Bioengineering 1,09,600 for open category. EWS is 1,13,486, OBC NCL is 124,447. BTech Civil open category 1,03,182 in Arunachal Pradesh, mind you. 1,11,262 for EWS, OBC is 1,06,250. NIT Manipur, BTech Civil is 1,10,888, 127,87 for EWS, and 1,14,162 for OBC NCL. NIT Manipur again, BTech Mechanical 93,650 for open category, EWS 1,06,139, OBC is 1,05,781. NIT Mizoram, BTech Chemical and Science and Technology 1,05,393, BTech Civil is 1,08,842, BTech Mechanical is 1,07,993. NIT Nagaland, BTech Civil is 1,11,764, BTech Electronics and Instrumentation is 93,859, BTech Mechanical is 1,03,395. NIT Srinagar, BTech Metallurgical and Materials 93,661. You also have this, you can take a screenshot of the other categories if you wish to, because we covered Open, EWS and OBC NCL here. Then you actually have Northeastern Regional Council, Regional Institute of Science and Technology, Nirjuli. BTech CSE is 1,44,947, EWS is 2,20,389. Then BTech Chemical Engineering is 1,51,935 in the same institute. These Puducherry Technology University, Puducherry, BTech Chemical is 1,51,935, 264,160 for EWS, OBC NCL is 2,16,962. Remember, this is All India Common Rank List. Then BTech CSE is 1,11,360, 140,579 for EWS, OBC NCL is 138,229. BTech ECE is 1,38,051 for open category, 189,301 for EWS, OBC NCL is 159,817. BTech AAA is 136,803, 193,580 for EWS, OBC NCL is 166,798. BTech Information Technology is 1,02,719, 1,56,522 for EWS, OBC NCL is 138,303. Sant Logal Institute of Engineering and Technology in Longowal, BTech AI and Data Science is 1,03,120, 127,481 for EWS, OBC NCL is 128,379. BTech MTech CSE dual degree in the same institute 139,018, 149,759 for EWS, OBC NCL is 177,552. BCSE 98,512 here, EWS is 117,326, OBC is 121,219. BECE is 139,914, 145,885 for EWS, OBC is 161,548. School of Studies in Engineering and Technology, Guru Ghasidas Vishwavidyalaya, Bilaspur, 124,167 for open category, 149,733 for EWS, OBC NCL is 156,924. Sri Govindram Shekshar Institute of Technology and Science, Indore, 1,07,419. Sri Mata Vaishno Devi University, Katra, 135,569 for open category, EWS is 159,142, 198,977 for OBC NCL. BTech EC 112,387 for open category, EWS is 1,14,215, 135,256 for OBC NCL. Tezpur University, Tezpur, BTech Electrical Engineering 1,30,264, open category for EWS is 1,30,994, 193,345 for OBC. BTech Electrical and MBA dual degree 138,372 for open category, EWS is 179,202, 186,448 for OBC NCL. So that's what you have for rank range of 90,000 to 1,50,000 through JEE Main, through the CSAP counseling. Remember, the JOSA counseling is over. All the NITs, IIITs, GFTS seats moved to CSAP counseling. This year, I do expect about 15,000 seats to be moved to CSAP counseling, which is the Central Seat Allocation Board. And you still have a chance, though you might not have got anything in JOSA counseling. If you want any help, you're still looking for BTech admission chances, not just in the public institutions, but even private institutions also. Send us a message on this number, 8130376334. Send us a message BTech, and one of our counselors will call you to understand what your grievance is and try to help you out. Do subscribe to BTech 360 because we're creating a lot of content to help students get into the best college possible. And this information and guidance series is presented by Amity University, one of India's leading universities, and also ranked among the top 3% globally based on the World University ranking. If you want me to cover anything else, do send me a message in the message box here. I'll be happy to cover that for you. Thank you so much. Namaste.